Hello, and welcome to your daily public service announcement by the one and only Nicholas Almond. Today, we'll talk about bacterial resistance. So, first off, let me talk about what antibiotics are. Antibiotics are medicines used to treat and prevent infections caused by bacteria, and they do so by stopping bacteria growth or just killing them. However, bacteria resistance occurs when bacteria becomes able to survive against antibiotics designed to kill them or stop their growth. And when this happens, they grow freely, multiply, cause infections in the host, even in the presence of antibiotics. So how does this happen? Well, bacteria becomes resistant to antibiotics by biological mechanisms. Bacteria can transfer drug-resistant genes by horizontal transfer, which can occur by transformation, conjugation, or transduction, and by mutations in the DNA. Transformation is when the bacteria takes in foreign DNA. Conjugation is when bacteria directly transfers genes to another cell. And transformation is when bacterial viruses move genes from one cell to another. And it starts with a few bacteria of the populations that have mutations that make them resistant to antibiotics. As a result, when antibiotics are used, all the bacteria not having gone mutation are killed and the anti-resistant bacteria survive, allowing for a new population that is entirely resistant to bacteria. So, one of the big issues is that doctors are overprescribing antibiotics, and that they should honestly only give antibiotics when absolutely necessary. Like when you have a big infection or something like that. Also, patients don't finish taking their antibiotics. And another cause of this is the lack of hygiene control, which is another recipe for mutated bacteria. And so basically you can fix these issues by having good hygiene, only taking antibiotics when necessary, not abusing antibiotics. And yeah, this has been your public service announcement on bacterial resistance. Thanks for watching.